Doesn't matter. No, it does actually.
It does actually.
Sweet little songbird sitting on a wire, sing a fire from your belly so small. Sound waves are rolling, the waves spread wide. You sing a song until it's 6 feet tall, and walking and stalking down the sidewalk, wearing clothes, standing side by side. Fly little songbirds on to the next stop. You sing a song, you look each other in the eye like. Who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dancer, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be or you, tipple song, songbird. Now be or you, tipple song, songbird, songbird. Now be or you, tipple song, songbird. No, you tell the truth. You tell the truth. Little man Trini got their wild imagination. He think they looking when he walk on by. He think the world is one big mirror. Him get upset and then he don't feel right when he walk and he talk and he's stalking down the sidewalk, sporting clothes, strutting stride by stride. I tell him, Trini, you are not what you consider. I stop him dead when I look him in the eye and say, who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dancer, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sings. Be or you, tipple song, songbird. Now be or you, tipple song, songbird, songbird. Now be or you, tipple song, songbird. No, you tell the truth. You get upset and then you don't feel right. You try to fly up straight and you fly up tight. And you try to talk about life like it's all in advance. Life is the dancer and you are the dance. So be on you, tipple song, songbird. Now be on you, tipple song, songbird, songbird. Now be on you, tipple song, songbird. Oh, you tell the truth. You tell the truth.